Hi everyone, welcome to Ede Yoruba TV.
So this one will now be, let's say 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. If this one is 210, you know that this one is 200 plus 10. That is 10 plus 10, 200. The other time I said that we still make use of oko, oji, ota. So this is where we are going to make use of it now. Oko, oji, ota. Okole, this one is different from the way we have been written it before. So this one now will be oko, ole, odin, mewa. That is the way we are going to write it. Oko, ole, odin, mewa. That is, we say oko. What is oko? 20. Oko, ole, odin, mewa. Oko, oko, ole, odin, mewa, luba. That is the way we are going to write it. It's different from the one that we have been written before. Oko, ole, odi, mewa. What is oko? That is, the formula for it is 220 minus 10 minus 10, or you say 200 plus 20 minus 10 minus 10. This is the formula for it. So it's different. You have to follow the rules. Oko, ole, oko, ole, odi, mewa, luba. Kí ló fi lé? Oko, this is the 20. We call it oko. That is ole, luba, odi, mewa. And likewise this one, I've said that the 20 is oko, 220. Oko, ole, luba. Oko, ole. Now if I want to write 211 now, 211, we say oko, ole, odi, mẹ́sàn, odi, mẹ́sàn. So but this 220 now, that is when we see 200 plus 20, which is oko, ole, luba. Oko, ole, luba. So if I want to say 222 now, if I say 222, that is, I will say oko, ole. That is, if I say 222 now, that is oko, oko, ole, luba, odin, odin, mẹ́jọ. So it's different the way that we have been written it before. That is how we are going to be writing it. That is 222. So 200, this is 200 taught us before is ọgbọ̀n. Is ọgbọ̀n. How do we write it? We now say, sometimes you can say ọgbọ̀nlélúgba, but if you want to write it, you now say òjìlélúgba ó dín. Òjìlélúgba ó dín mẹ́wàá. What is that òjì? That is ogójì. That is 240. My 240. 200. Let's first write 200 plus 40. Plus 40 minus 10. Minus 10. What is the meaning? That is òjì. We call this one òjì. 40. Ogún méjì. Ogún méjì. Ogun, I want to re-explain it here. That is, you now say òjì. Òjì. Ó-lé-lúgba. Òjìlélúgba. Ó dín mẹ́wàá. Ó dín mẹ́wàá. You can see. Òjì. Ogójì. I said we have oko, òjì, ọ̀tà, ẹ̀rin. So oko, ó-lé-lúgba, you can say ó-lé-lúgba, ó dín mẹ́wàá lúgba. Oko, ó dín mẹ́wàá lúgba. So now this one now 220 is now okòólélúgba. So 200 plus 40 minus 10. Now it's now òjì-ó-lé-lúgba, ó dín mẹ́wàá. Òjì-ó-lé-lúgba, ó dín mẹ́wàá. Now 240 now. 240 will now be òjì-ó-lé-lúgba. Òjì-lé-lúgba. That is 200 plus 40. 200 plus 40. Òjì-lé-lúgba. Òjì-lé-lúgba. So you can see it now. Now 250. What is 50? Àádọ́ta. But we now go for next number, which is 60. 260. So it will now be like the one we wrote here. It will now be 200 plus 60 minus 10. That's how we want to get 250. 200 plus 10 plus 60 minus 10. It means, what is this 60? Ọgọ́ta, but we call it ọ̀tà. Ọ̀tàlélúgba. Ọ̀tàlélúgba. What's that lé? This sign plus. Olé. Ọ̀tàlélúgba. Ó dín mẹ́wàá. You can see that the way we are reading it is different from the one we have been doing before. So ọ̀tàlélúgba ó dín mẹ́wàá. Ọ̀tàlélúgba ó dín mẹ́wàá. So you can see ọ̀tàlélúgba ó dín mẹ́wàá. So 260 now will be ọ̀tàlélúgba. Ọ̀tàlélúgba.